afternoon, everyone. It's Monday afternoon, and things are getting heated up, and I've got a bit of an exclusive from you, courtesy of Marix, legendary creator over in Horizon Worlds. He's actually just posted some video footage of someone playing with the new avatars, which I've just put off to the side here. Wow, guys, this is big. This is getting excited. This is coming tomorrow. All right. See you later.
More facial shapes, right? So you see how her face is changing. And then you can also do profile, right? So with that, you can change her chin. So that's just more personalization. And also with the body types, we've been more inclusive.
I know.
Yes,
that
right.
made me so happy.
Yes, because no one's one size, right? And then also, like, you know, you can change all of these different body parts. So that way it'll be exclusively you. So a lot of people love that option. And then this is the one that a lot of people are excited about as far as using the Meta AI to create your own clothes, right? So let's say you want a tank top. And okay, just give me a prompt, anything.
Rainbow.
A unicorn.
Rainbow. All right, yes, rainbow, uni.
Wear it. Oh my god.
Unicorns. Okay, let's see.
Look at the magic.
Oh,
It's happening right there.
exciting. It's so exciting. All right.
Loading.
So it gives you 4 different options, right? You get 4 different options.
Nice.
And then you see how they're not actually placed properly. You can actually click on this and move it, right? To position it.
Look at that unicorn.
Woo, right? And
Oh
then,
my god.
right, you want more rainbow, you want put here right there. Right. Oh wait, we have a Pegasus. I saw wings. We got
there
a
you go.
Pegasus.
A pegacorn.
A pegacorn. Right. And then save it. Now it's in your closet. It's yours forever. And you see these are some of the other ones people made. So yeah, so these will be these will be going live next